Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will discuss divisibility rules. The divisibility rules will help us in fast calculation. Let us see about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 9 and we'll see up to 11 also. Basically when it comes for 2 divisibility rule, main funda is last digit must be divisible by 2 or the number should be even. I hope everyone knows even and odd numbers. Basically even means when it is completely divisible by 2. When it is completely divisible by 2, I mean 4 by 2. What it gives answer? 2. 2 is dividing 4 completely by giving answer as 2. So the 4 is even number. And for any number for 2 divisibility rule, we have to check the unit digit, only unit digit. So here I mentioned last digit. Last digit means if I give some number here, we have to check the only unit digit. If it is even, the unit digit is even means then the number will be divisible by 2. Even numbers will be basically 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Only these 5 digits are possibility for the last unit place. If it is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, if any of the one number will be there in the unit place, then it is called as even number and it is divisible by 2. So here you can see 248 as example. 8 last unit digit is 8, it is a even number, right? Here it is, so it is divisible by 2. If you want to verify, you can verify 248 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 0, 4, 2 2s are 4, 0, 8. So 2 4s are 8. So it's giving remainder as 0, right? So that's why if unit digit is even number, then it is completely divisible by 2. Here also in 564 unit place is 4, so 4 is a even number. These are all even numbers. If it is even number, then the given number will be divisible by 2. Here also 4, 6, these all are even numbers in the unit place, so the given numbers are divisible by 2. Now let us see about the 3 divisibility rule. Sum of digits must be divisible by 3 means if I take 1, 2, 3 as example, the sum of digits means the individual digits of 123. Digits are 1, 2, 3. We have to sum 1 plus 2 plus 3. For any given number, if you sum the digits, we should get result which is divisible by 3. I mean adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 giving as answer, right? 3 is dividing 6 completely, right? Means 6 by 3 gives a correct answer, means it is 3 is dividing 6 completely. So if the sum is divisible by 3, then the given number will be divisible by 3. What I mean, suppose here you can take example 456. If you add digits 4 5 6, 4 plus 5 plus 6, how much we are getting? 15, right? You can again do it, you can do it. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 by 3, 2, right? So the given number will be divisible by 3. And here another example 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sum will be 21, right? Again you can do, if possible again you can do until you will get a single digit. 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 3 1. So the given number is divisible by 3. So if you know this number is divisible by 3, then no problem. If you don't know, you can till extend it to single digit, means adding. If you get some, if it is 3 digit, again add it. If you get 2 digit, again add it. If you get a single digit, then you will come to know whether it comes under 3 multiple or not. So if it divides by 3, then the given number will be divisible by 3. Then we'll check about 4 divisibility rule. The last 2 digits must be divisible by 4, means for given any number, last 2 digits must be divisible by 4. Here last 2 digits are 24, right? 24 is divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4 6 are. So the given number is divisible by 4. What about 512? In 512 also last 2 numbers 4 3s are 12, right? So it is also divisible by 4. What about 36? 4 9s are 36, right? If you know 4 table till 40, then easily you can tell means up to 2 digit means 96. If you know till 96, then you can easily get the number which is divisible by 4. You have to bother about only last 2 digits. If it is divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. You can cross check also. For 5 divisibility rule, it is very simple. You have to focus on unit digit. If it is 0 or 5, then only it is divisible by 5. Here you can see 125. Last digit is 5, right? Here 0, 5, 0 means these all are numbers are divisible by 5. But if I give 1, 2, 5, 2, no, this is not divisible by 5 because unit place is containing 2, not 0 or 5. If it is 0 or 5, then the given number will be divisible by 5. Then comes 6 divisibility rule. It is very simple because if you know 2 divisibility rule and 3 divisibility rule, then 6 divisibility rule will be easy because if a given number, here I took an example as 24, if a given number is divisible by 2, means what is the divisibility rule for 2? If unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is divisible by 2. What about 3? Adding 2 numbers must be divisible by 3. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 by 3. Yes, it's dividing, means it is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Rule is number must be divisible by both 2 and 3. This condition is important. If it is dividing by 2 but not by 3 means no. It has to divide by both the numbers 2 and 3. That's why here I am mentioning 2 and 3. Both should be must. Then if you see 7 divisibility rule, it is little bit complicated one. So suppose assume I took an example as 203, right? If a number is divisible by 7, if after doubling its last digit and subtracting it from the remaining number, the result is divisible by 7. What does it mean? It means we have to double the last digit. What is last digit? 3. 3 2 is 6. This number after doubling, we have to subtract it from remaining number. Remaining is 20. 20 minus 6, we are getting as 14. Is it divisible by 7? Yes, because 7 2 is 14, right? So it is divisible by 14, divisible by 7. So the given number is divisible by 7. Here we can take another example, 371. Double it. After doubling, we are getting 2. Subtract it, 37 minus 2, 35, right? 7 5 is 35. Then the given number is divisible by 7. What if I take 2 1 2 1? Double it, 2. Subtract it from remaining number, we are getting 210, right? Again you don't know whether it is divisible by 7. Again double it. Double it means again you will get 0 only. Subtract from here 21. Is it divisible by 7? Yes, it is. So then the given number is divisible by 7. Like this you can continue the steps. Same rule, like in 3 also we are doing. If sum gets more, again you have to do sum, again do until you get single digit. Here also until you get a 7 table you can do it. Here also again we can do it. 1 2 is 2. Subtract it from 2. 2 minus 2, 0. If you are getting 0 or multiple of 7, then it is divisible by 7. Then comes 8 divisibility rule. 8 divisibility rule similar as 4 divisibility rule, because in 4 divisibility rule we are seeing only last 2 digits, but in 8 we have to take care of last 3 digits. We have to bother about last 3 digits. Here 1512. Check only for last 3 digit by doing it. 8 6 are 48, remaining 3, 2, 8 4 are 32. So if last 3 digits are divisible, then the whole number is divisible by 8. Here also 0 2 4 means 24, 8 3 are 24. 1 2 8, this is also divisible by 8. Then comes 9 divisibility rule, which is similar as 6, because in 6 what is the rule? It is similar as 3, because in 3 we are doing sum of digits, right? Like the same we have to do sum of digits, which must be divisible by 9. Let us take an example, 7 to 9. Sum the digits. 7 plus 2 plus 9, which gives us answer 7 to 9, 9 plus 9, 18. 18 by 9, 2. Otherwise you can do again 1 plus 8, 9. 9 is divisible by 9, right? So it is divisible by 9. Here also you can do the sum. Here also you can do the sum and check it. For 10 divisibility rule, it is simple. The unit digit must be 0. If unit digit is 0, then the given number is divisible by 10. That's it. When it comes to 11, see, the difference between the sum of alternate digits must be divisible by 11. What I mean, I will take one example, 121. The sum of alternate digits means these are alternate digits. If I have any other numbers, these are called alternate numbers. Sorry, these are alternate numbers, leaving one number. These are alternate numbers. Like that, if I take 1 to 1 as example, alternate sum is 2, 1 plus 1, 2, and here we left with 2. Subtract the both numbers, 2 minus 2, which gives us 0. If it is 0 or multiple of 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. You can take example another one, 121, 121. Sum it. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. There is no number, right? 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 0 or multiple of 11 means it is divisible by 11. What about 484? 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Which is divisible by 11. 131. 1331. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. So 4 minus 4, 0. So this is also divisible by 11. And here are some practice questions, like is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divisible by 3? Check it by adding numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which gives us 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 15. Again do it sum. 5 plus 1, 6. Is 6 by 3 is giving answer? Yes. 6 is divisible by 3, so the given number is divisible by 3. What about 1, 2, 3, 6 by 6? What is the rule for 6? It must be divisible by 2 and 3. For 2, we are bothered about only unit place, which is even, and for 3, we have to sum it. 1, 2, 3, 6. Sum is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, which gives us 12. Again do it sum. 12, we will get 3. 3 by 3. 3 is divisible by 3. So this is divisible by 6 because it satisfies the both conditions. What about 1, 0, 0, 1? We saw right for 7 divisibility rule. 1, 0, 0, 1. Sorry, it is 1. Let me rewrite. You have to double it. Subtract it from remaining number. 100 minus 2, 98. Right? Is it divisible by 7? Check it. Otherwise you can do it again. Here to the 16. 9 minus 16, how much? Different sign means subtraction. 16 minus 9 will give 7. The answer is minus 7. Is 7 divisible by 7? Yes. Then the given number is divisible by 7. If it is negative sign also, no problem. What about 3, 1, 2, 8 divisible by 8? We have to bother about last 3 digits. 120. It is divisible by 8. So the given number will be divisible by 8. What about 9? Sum of digits. 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 8, 27. Again do the sum. 2 plus 3, 2 plus 7, 9. 9 by 9. So this is also divisible by 9. What about 11? 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. We have to check the sum of alternate numbers and we have to take the difference. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. So 0 or multiple of 11 means it is divisible by 11. And here are some homework questions. Please solve and let me know the answers in the comment section, and we'll continue in the next video. Thank you.